basically we're a company that deals in all kinds of copper winding wires and insulation products. We also have a company under our umbrella named Bharat Fans. We manufacture fan stators there. We are authorized channel partners for Sonali winding wires, Garware high-tech films, and Elantas varnishes. I had visited Delhi Expo last year, and I've participated in Hyderabad Fan Expo this year. So Delhi Expo seems more crowded and there are a lot more customers here. Hyderabad Fan Expo, yes, there was a little smaller, but quality of customers were really nice. Yes, I'm satisfied with this footfall, yes. The experience seems really nice. There are a lot of companies here that I cater to, so it's been great, yeah. Fan Expo is a great opportunity, yes.